Bright day, everyone! Today, I'm going to talk about the digestive system, its meaning, and the different parts that help us digest our food. So, what is digestive system? So, digestive system is a group of organs in our body that work together to break down the food that we eat. And also, its job is to turn food into nutrients and energy that our body needs. And it also removes the waste that our body doesn't need. And right now, this is the picture of the digestive system. So are you ready to know those parts? So the first part that we're going to discuss is, yes, it's mouth. So what is the role of mouth? So the role of mouth is the digestion starts in the mouth. So this is where we chew our food and mix it with saliva. No? When we say chew the food, it means mechanical digestion. While mix it with saliva, it contains chemical digestions na. So, the saliva helps soften the food and begins breaking it down into smaller pieces. So, the next from the mouth is esophagus. So, this is the esophagus. So esophagus is a long tube that carries the chewed food from the mouth down to the stomach through wave-like movements called peristalsis. So when we say peristalsis, it is the one who it helps to bring the food down to your stomach. So the next to the esophagus is, as I've said, is stomach. So what is stomach? So stomach is like a muscular bag. Here, the food is mixed with stomach acids and juices that help break the food into smaller pieces. So in this part, the stomach, this helps the proper digestion of the food that we eat. So this will break the food more into smaller pieces. So next from the stomach is the small intestine. So the small intestine is the food enters the small intestine. So this is where most digestion happens. So the nutrients from the food are absorbed here and sent throughout our body. Then after the small intestine is the liver. So the liver makes bile. That's why it which helps break down fats so the body can use them. So next is the gallbladder. So the gallbladder stores the bile from the liver and releases it when needed during digestion. So the bladder is the one who's storing the bile that makes from the liver. And next is the large intestine. So large intestine absorbs water from the leftover food and forms it into stool, which the stool means is when it gets outside our body, it also called human waste. So next, the last but not the least, is the rectum and anus. When we say rectum, it is the one who stores the stool, and the anus is where the waste exits the body. So, and that's my explanation of the digestive system and its parts. So, did you learn something? Yes, and thank you for watching.